Hey Tech fam, welcome back to TechWise, your go-to spot for the latest and greatest in the world of technology. If you thought 2024 had some cool gadgets, just wait until you see what 2025 has in store. From AI-powered devices to mind-blowing smart wearables, today we're counting down 5 game-changing tech gadgets you absolutely need to see this year. Let's jump right into it. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the Humane AI Pin 2.0. This little wearable AI assistant clips right onto your clothes and replaces your need for a smartphone. It uses voice commands, hand gestures, and even projection to give you instant access to information. Want to send a text, translate a conversation in real time, or even order food? Just speak or gesture, and boom, it's done. Is this the future of screenless tech? Let me know what you think in the comments. At number 4, we've got something small but mighty. The Samsung Galaxy Ring. This sleek smart ring is packed with sensors that track your heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more, all in real time. It syncs seamlessly with your Galaxy phone and gives you insights that rival even the best smartwatches. Plus, no screen means no distractions. Just clean, minimal health tracking. I could definitely see this replacing the fitness bands of the past. Coming in at number 3, the Tesla Optimus Bot Gen 2. Elon Musk's humanoid robot is no longer sci-fi. In 2025, the Gen 2 model is already being tested in real-world tasks. Think factory work, warehouse lifting, and even simple home chores. This bot can walk, recognize objects, and use tools, and it's only getting smarter. While it's still an early rollout, the future looks crazy. Imagine having your own personal robot assistant. At number 2, it's finally here. The Apple Vision Pro to Apple's updated mixed reality headset features a lighter design, wider field of view, and improved battery life. It blends your digital and physical worlds seamlessly, whether you're watching 3D movies, designing in AR, or attending meetings via spatial FaceTime. With its eye-tracking control and ultra-high-resolution displays, this isn't just a headset. It's a whole new way to interact with tech. And topping our list is something straight out of science fiction, the Neuralink brain interface. Neuralink's first human trials in 2025 are showing incredible promise. This implant allows direct communication between your brain and a computer. Early users have already been able to move cursors, send messages, and control robotic limbs just by thinking. And that's a wrap on the top 5 game-changing gadgets of 2025. Which one blew your mind the most? Personally, the Galaxy Ring's simplicity is a game-changer for me, but Neuralink, that's next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest in tech. Drop your favorite gadget in the comments and tell me what tech you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.